Okay, guys, good evening, everyone. Super excited. Good morning, wherever you're joining from. And in this video, I want to share with you how you can create an online portfolio that can help you to be able to keep record instead of logging into your exchange every day. You just need to come here and check your position. Okay, so come to crypto.com, share cryptorank.com. And when you come to cryptorank.com, all you need to do, you see a sign up button here. And because I've signed in, okay, you have to create your own newly. So once you do that, then you come to where? You come to portfolio. Now, once portfolio opens up, you're going to be having different types. For example, this is the latest demo portfolio I just created. So for me to create a new one, all I need to do is to click on this plus. Once I click on this plus, I'm going to name it my name, okay, or my portfolio. Once I do that, I'll say create manual portfolio. So as I click on create manual portfolio, the next thing is I'm going to type in the asset that I have bought. Okay, the asset that I bought. Now, if I just bought the asset, I can just put in, let's say I just bought XCM right now. And let's say I just put in like $100 in this. Because I just did that, the time is the same. The timestamp is the same. So I just click add. Okay. But if it has taken maybe a month before, 2 months before, and you are just creating it, you have to now click here and go to the date that you made the purchase. And somebody is saying, oh, Mr. Mayowa, how do I know the date that I make a purchase? There's always a order history record on your exchange. So let me bring one up for you. So this is a case study. When you go to trade, the trade either on Binance or on KuCoin, on that trade, you will scroll down under it, then you see open order, then you see order history. Now, under order history, you will see all the projects that you have bought. You will see that you see the time you bought them, the date you bought them. You see the average price of the token that you bought, and the amount that you used to purchase it. So for this case study now, this person bought chili $300, and he bought chili at 0.009. So let's take, for example, or we do XCN, okay? They bought at 300 and they bought at 0.001. So let's go to any of these projects and see what we have right now. Good. So I'll go to night. What date was that? 1 minute, let me bring it up again. Where are you? So let's say, for example, I bought this project. This is 4th of December, 9/16. So I can come here and I put in $300 and my average price is 0.001. So if I come here now, I'll say I bought this project 4th of December. Then I can put in the time 9/16. Okay, then that changes. Then I put in $300 for that date. You can see that the date has changed. and I bought it at 0.01. That's the average price that I bought it. 0.00103. Okay, 0.0003. I can put in the extra numbers behind it. Okay, then I bought 300 at that rate. At this rate, I put in $300. So if I click on add tokens now, this project will be added here. So that means that this person that bought this project, $300 on that particular day, okay, has made profit of over 130%. So that is how you add. Just keep coming here. Let's pick another one from the record. Let's put chill USDT, $300 to 14th of December, 9/24. Chill SH. Chill. That's chill. Okay. What date? What? Time 9/26. Good. What rate? 0.0094. 0.0094944. How much did I put in? $300. This person put in $300 and you add it. You see that? So this person have invested $600 in this portfolio and currently is in profit of 1,000. His account is reading on $1,000 right now for the 600. That's 2 projects that he puts in. So with this, it means that I can now start checking. So if I put this, I click on the balance, I can scroll down and I will see the list of all the projects I have bought, the profit that each project has, okay, and I'm good to go. So in the nearest future, when I sell off any project from this, I can still add it, go to the same project and use negative and minus it. Or I come here, if I'm adding more position, I click plus, okay, and I can say, oh, I want to sell. So if I click on sell, now I'm on sell, then I can now say, okay, how many do I want to sell? You see, this is the exact token that I have. This is the exact profit that I have. Then I can say, okay, I want to sell off 200. You see? So that means that this is the amount of token that will go off. So if I click on sell off, it will reduce my position. Can you see that? It will reduce my position on this particular trade. Let me see. Good. It will reduce my position. So before now, I had, you can see, I had I had $300 and I've taken 200 out of it. You can see that. And the date that I took that off is also showing here. So I can now, you can see when you come here, before it was 1,000, because of the $200 that I took off, the current balance has dropped. So this is how it works. So this from my 2,901 token that I bought before, it has reduced to 207,000 tokens because I removed that. So if I want to come back to my portfolio, I'll just click on back. It will show me the entire portfolio again. Now let's say that this has also gone up or it goes down more. I want to add more position. I'll just click on this plus that is here. I'll click on buy and I can add the position. But if it's a massive profit, I can come here, okay? After I have sold on my exchange and I've taken my money, okay? I have to come here to keep record and put it in and say, oh, I just sold X amount of chili, and that will be all. So this is how to keep record using the portfolio system on CryptoRank. I totally recommend this for every member of the Midas Crypto Board, because this will help you as a crypto trader to keep record of your portfolio. Even you can even make a note. Let's say I bought a BNB. I can even make a note of where I bought it from. I can even make a note and say, oh, I don't want to sell this project until it goes to $1. So with this, I can keep tab every single time when I come in here, and I'm good to go. Okay. So please set this up immediately and use it to keep tab of your record, and we're good to go. I'll see you in the subsequent trade. Talk to you soon.